Welcome students. My name is Sanjay Salunke. As we have seen in last session, elements and their classification, Doberan-Strides, Newland's law of octaves. Today we are going to continue our second chapter. We are going to learn following topics. First, Mendeleev's periodic table. Second, Mendeleev's periodic law. And third, merits of Mendeleev periodic table. Coming towards first point is Mendeleev periodic table. The most important step in classification of elements in Mendeleev's periodic table is the fundamental property of elements, namely the atomic mass as standard. He arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Then he transformed this into the periodic table of elements according to their physical and chemical properties. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. Second point is Mendeleev's periodic law. The elements with physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic masses. In this periodic table, the vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups, while the horizontal rows are called periods. Now, some introduction to scientist. Dmitry Mendeleev was professor in the State Pittsburgh University. He made a separate card for every known element, showing its atomic mass. He arranged the cards in accordance with the atomic masses and properties of the elements, which resulted in the invention of the periodic table of elements. Now, third point is merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. To give the proper place in the periodic table, atomic masses of some elements were revised in accordance with their properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium 14.09 was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before boron. Mendeleev had kept some vacant places in the periodic table for elements that were yet to be discovered. Three of these unknown elements were given the names Eka-boron, Eka-aluminium and Eka-silicon from the known neighbors, and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72 respectively. Their properties were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered subsequently and were named as scandium, gallium, and germanium, respectively. The properties of these elements matched well with those predicted by Mendeleev. Due to this success, all were convinced about the importance of Mendeleev periodic table. When noble gases such as helium, neon, and argon were discovered, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table, in which the noble gases were placed very well. Now today's homework is describe the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. That's all for today. We will continue in next session. Thank you.